friends, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys are safe and sound wherever you are. In UK it's very cold and the festive have started. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a breakfast. So it's just like a bread and eggs together, just a little twist. And without any further delay, let's come and follow me. Or to make a bread omelette, you will need 2 slices of bread. You can use white or brown, and the filling you will need onions, tomatoes, mushroom, chilies are optional, and you will need 2 eggs. So if you are non-veg, you actually can use salami, you can use ham, or whatever meat is available to you. And you also can use cheese. I'm not gonna use cheese at the moment. And yeah, so first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 slices of bread with a knife. I'm literally gonna make a hole here, so we're just taking the crust away from the bread. Be gentle when you're doing it. You don't really want to be breaking the bread itself. So once that's done, we will leave that on the side like so, and we're going to keep this on the side, and we're going to do the same thing with another slice of bread. It's a very good way of finishing the bread and making a full use of these 2 bases. Okay, so I've got 2 bases, and I've got the bread, the inner bread that I've done. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the gas on. Take a non-stick pan over the heat. So I'm gonna break these 2 eggs. Like so. There we have. I'm gonna keep the shells away. Taking the fork and beating the eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in there. Keep that on the side. So into that I'm gonna add the onions. You won't need a lot of onions in here. It's completely optional. You can cook the onions before, or if not, then you can add it into the mixture. Few mushrooms, chopped tomatoes, chilies. You can use red chili flakes if you want. That's completely optional. So now we're gonna give a really good mix. So as you can see, my pan is really hot. So into that I'm gonna drop about a teaspoon of oil, like so. Swirl it around. And I'm gonna put the base onto the pan. So now I'm gonna drop the mixture into the middle, like so. Really good breakfast to have, and if your kids don't like vegetable, this is the way to feed them. Okay, let's mix in a little. Alright, so as you can see, the eggs are cooking really nicely. So the bread I've taken earlier, I'm gonna place it into the middle, lightly pressing it so we're not letting them waste. And the eggs in there, that's gonna help to stick the bread together. So I'm gonna flip it over like so. Look at that lovely yummy bread omelette. So I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit more to get a nice golden brown color. Alright, so the bread is nearly done. So the both sides are nicely cooked. I'm gonna put this on the side and we're gonna do the same thing with another bread. Healthy breakfast. There we go. Pan is already hot and I will drop the rest of the mixture into the pan in the middle, like so. So the eggs are nearly cooked. I'm gonna place the rest of the bread into the middle and lightly pressing it. Flip it over. There we have. Let it cook. So the bread is ready. Leave it on the side. So breads are done. Nicely chopping it out. Little triangles. Nicely done. There we go. And I'm gonna place it into my presentation plate. Lovely. There we have yummy bread omelette. So finally my breakfast bread into my plate, and I'm gonna have a little taster and see how it looks or what it tastes like. Oh, look at that, nice and moist. I'm gonna have it with a little mayonnaise and a ketchup. Nice and crunchy. It's lovely. Okay, so I hope you guys liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share all my videos with your families and friends for more upcoming videos like this and on fitness as well. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and happy cooking.